Hey everybody, John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, inviting you to the 54th annual Auburn Auction and Show right here Labor Day weekend. We have some really fantastic cars. We're offering 400 cars, but there are a few that are really special. Sometimes we overuse that term, but this car is a unique opportunity in the Corvette world. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a 350 horsepower Roadster. But this car is one of the most original Corvettes that I've ever seen. It has been a one-owner car from new. It was purchased brand new by a school teacher here in the Midwest. It has just over 23,000 actual miles. The motor's original, the paint's original, the interior's original, the top. It's a factory side exhaust car. And of course, you love the Kelsey-Hayes bolt-ons. This car came with them from new. This is a true benchmark caliber automobile. We do have a treasure trove of original documents, including a Protecto plate. And we also have certifications from Al Grenning, who's been able to inspect a lot of the things, including the trim tag and the Protecto plate, and can verify that those are original. A lot of us here in the United States love Corvettes, America's sports car, but to find one that has had one custodian its entire life, the level of originality is almost unbelievable, but it's true. The only thing, as you look at this car, for safety reasons, the tires are not original so that you can use them. And it's been serviced. You can use it if you would like. You can take it to shows, you can have it judged, you can do about anything with it, but make sure you own it, because you'll be the only one that has a time capsule preservation benchmark caliber 67 Corvette Roadster. A really great opportunity. Get registered to bid specifically for this car and lots of other great cars that we have. WorldwideAuctioneers.com. We'll look forward to seeing you at the auction.